Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Umoren, your trusted money coach, and I teach you how to invest profitably in both the crypto and the stock market. Simply put, I teach you how to make your money work for you. In our last video, I showed you how to buy Foxy within just a few minutes. If you missed that educational video, you can check out the link right here or in the description area below, and it's titled How to Buy Foxy. In today's educational video tutorial, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to transfer Foxy from a crypto exchange to your Ledger hardware wallet for ultimate security. If you don't have a Ledger hardware wallet yet, you'll find the official link in the description area below for you to get yours. So let's dive in. How to transfer Foxy from a crypto exchange to your Ledger hardware wallet step by step. Step 1. We need to prepare our Ledger wallet, and the first thing that we need to do is to connect your Ledger hardware wallet to your computer and then open Ledger Live. So go ahead and open Ledger Live. So here I'm going to enter my password, so go ahead and do that. So once you're logged into Ledger Live, if this is the first time you're using your device, make sure that you've completed the setup process, also installed the necessary applications. So if you need help setting up your Ledger wallet, you can check out my step-by-step video guide here. I'm going to link it up here. I'm also going to leave it in the description area below. So next, we're going to connect our Ledger hardware wallet to our computer using cord. In today's tutorial, I'm using the Ledger Nano X. So you can always use this for the Nano or any of the Ledger products. It follows the same procedure. So go ahead and connect your Ledger hardware wallet to your computer using cord. So once you connect your Ledger hardware wallet to your computer, you're going to be prompted to enter your PIN. So go ahead and enter your PIN. That is the PIN for your hardware wallet. Now that I've entered my PIN, the next thing that we need to do is to make sure that our Ledger firmware is up to date. So you can see up here that I have a prompt that I need to update my Ledger Live version. So what I'm going to do is to click on download update. So go ahead and do that if you have the same prompt. So this is just going to take a few minutes. Right here, it says update ready to install. So click on install now. So this is going to open the Ledger Live app again. So go ahead and log into Ledger Live again. So right here, just click on continue. Then just click on accept. So now that the firmware is up to date, we're ready to then install the Foxy app on our Ledger Live. For us to install the Foxy application, Foxy is an ERC20 on the linear network, okay? So what we need to do, we're going to click on accounts, click on add account. Now we're going to search for linear. So that's LINEA. And we're going to choose this one, the one with the ETH. So click on ETH, click on continue. Now we're going to open Ethereum app on our device. So make sure that you already have Ethereum installed on your device already, and also that you have some Ethereum. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open Ethereum on my Ledger hardware wallet. And the way to do that is to authenticate by clicking on these two buttons at the same time. So go ahead and do that. So we're just waiting a few minutes for that to synchronize. So this would just be linear one, or you can label it however you deem fit. So click on add account. Account added successfully, done. So the next thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to get my wallet address. So I'm going to click on receive. And here I have this prompt that please only send ETH or ERC20 token to linear account, or else you're going to lose your crypto asset. So click on this, click on continue. I'm going to open Ethereum app. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to verify the address on my Ledger hardware wallet. So I'm going to click on done. Next, I'm going to go into the crypto exchange that I got Foxy on. If you remember, in our last class, I showed you how to buy Foxy on KUCOIN. I'm going to log into my KUCOIN account. And I'm going to go under asset, click on trading account. So you can see that I have some Foxy here. So next, click on withdraw. Now I'm going to be selecting Foxy. I'm going to paste the address here. I'm going to select the network. So the network here is linear. So I'm going to select this and I want to withdraw everything. So I'm going to click on trading, click on all. Remember that for you to send Foxy, you're going to be sending this on the linear network and this is on Ethereum. Okay. So I've already pasted my wallet address that I got from Ledger and I selected the network and I'm going to be withdrawing all of the Foxy that I bought on KUCOIN. And the fee is 75 Foxy. So next, what I'm going to be receiving is 1406 Foxy. So I'm going to click on withdraw. Go ahead and do that. Next, I'm going to click on submit. Now I'm going to enter my trading password. I'm going to enter my email verification code. So I'm going to click on send code. Now I'm going to enter my 2FA. I'm going to click on submit. Withdrawal successful. So if you like, you can add this to your list of addresses to whitelist on KuCoin or any of the crypto exchanges that you're using. So I'm just gonna leave out this. Yeah, Foxy. Then save as standard address. I'm gonna enter my trading password. Click on submit. Withdrawal successful. So I'm gonna wait a few minutes for the transaction to be processed. While we're waiting for this transaction to be processed, if you don't have a Ledger hardware wallet and you would like to get one, scroll to the description area below for the official link. And also, if you like a one-on-one guidance on investing in stocks or crypto, go ahead and use the link in the description area below to book a free 30-minute session. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give this video a like and also subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell. And if you don't have a Tangem hardware wallet, go ahead and scroll to the description area below for the official link and don't forget to use my discount code Blooming to get 10% off your order. And once the transaction is complete, your Foxy tokens are going to appear in your Ledger Live. Okay, so we're going to wait a few minutes for that. I just received a notification that the withdrawal has been successful. So you can see right here, just within a few minutes, I just received a notification that the Foxy that I just sent from KuCoin is now in my Ledger hardware wallet. You can see this in my Ledger Live. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just toggle this and you can see the Foxy that we just sent from KuCoin is now in my Ledger hardware wallet. So that's it. So we've come to the end of today's video tutorial. You can see how easy it was to just transfer Foxy token from KuCoin to your Ledger hardware wallet. You can also do this for any crypto exchange. This is just an example on how you can move Foxy from a crypto exchange to your Ledger hardware wallet. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe for more crypto tutorial. Thank you for watching. Until then, I'm Blooming Umoren and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.